Imagine controlling your lights without touching anything, just with your hand gestures. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But today I'm turning this into reality, using the help of Quirky Ultimate Kit. Because today I'm building a smart gesture control system, step by step. And trust me, it's way easier than you think. So first we will set up the Quirky board with the relay modules to operate the appliances. We can use any of the relays, 4 channel, 6 channel, 8 channel, any relay we can use, but of 5 volt. And it's way easier to connect with the Quirky board. No complex circuit, just smart hardware doing their job. It's just plug and play. Just connect the Quirky with the relay module and do the programming. And the best part is, the Quirky board connects with the PictoBlock, which has the built-in AI and machine learning functionality, which help us to train our own recognition gesture system. So now let's build it. So I'm using over here 2 LED panels, which are working under 220 volts to 240 volts. So let's turn on the Quirky. So the Quirky is on, now let's connect it with the laptop. So I'm connecting the Quirky with the help of Bluetooth. Now starting the program. So the connection part is done and I've changed the old light to this light and the Quirky is ready and connected with the laptop. So first of all, I will give the command to turn on this light. So let's give the command. You can see the light is on. Now let's turn it off. You can see the light is turned off. Now let's give the command to turn on the second light. So as you can see, the second light is turned on. Now let's turn off the second light. You can see the light is turned off. So this is the real magic, which you can do using the help of the PictoBlocks, which helps you to program in simple block instead of writing long codes. How it works? It has built-in AI and machine learning, so I can train my own recognition system. Basically, I show the camera module multiple samples of each gesture, and the ML model learn to identify patterns and classify them in real world. If you want to start building projects like this, learning AI, coding and programming, robotics in fun and practical way, Quirky and PictoBlock is honestly one of the best way to begin. Follow for more such insane tech builds like this.